Let's see how to use the automatic captions for a video inside Adobe Express. When you're on the homepage, find the Caption video tool in the list of tools. It might be in a different place than what you see on my screen. If you don't see it, click on the first row of tools, View All, and you'll get to all the tools in Adobe Express. Then click Video and find the Caption video tool in the list. When you click it, a new pop-up window will open where you can start by uploading a video that you want to add captions to. You should upload a short video, up to 1 gigabyte and 5 minutes long. Then, you need to let the tool do its magic. It will take a few minutes. After that, you'll see the captions on the video. Now you can do a few things to manage it. On the right side, you'll see the text at the top. You can write something different. Or if the tool made a spelling mistake, you can fix it by typing the correct text there. When you click play on the left side, you can watch the video and see that all the captions match the video narration. At the bottom, you have the option to move the cursor to a certain place in the video if you want to stop it somewhere and fix the text. You'll see that the text on the right side changes based on what you see on the screen on the left side. Under the text box, you have some options for showing the captions on the video. If you'd like to change all the captions to one design, you can do it here. Let's see the different caption designs you get. Each one has a different font size, color box, and effect for showing on the video. Below that, you have the option to change the colors. When you click it, you'll see two color options. One is for the text, and the other is for the box around the text. If the design doesn't have a box around it, you won't be able to change the second color. When you click the color settings, you'll see two tabs. One shows colors suggested by Adobe Express, and the second lets you choose any color based on a hex code. So if you want to use your brand colors, you can click there and type the hex code. Under the design, you have two buttons. One is to download the video. It will print the captions on the video when you download it to your computer. The next button is to edit the captions inside the Adobe editor. There are some limitations when you edit the captions. Click it and let's go to the editor. It will take a few minutes to transfer the video with captions to the editor. Then you'll see that when you click the captions, you have the regular text editor on the side, and you can change colors, size, font, whatever you like. But here's the limit. You can change only one thing at a time, and it will change only that word. If you want to change all the text, you need to go one by one. So the best way to use this tool and save time is to use the templates you got in the pop-up before entering the editor. If you want to change the position of the caption, you can click on the whole caption box and wait for the move icon to show up so you can move it around. You can also make the text bigger by dragging the side of the box. It will affect all the text in that caption box. But if you want to change it for all the captions in the video, you'll need to move each caption one by one to change the size and position. When you click on the whole text box, you'll see on the side that you can't change the font or color like you can for a specific word, but you can change the position and opacity. If you want to change the animation, you can click Animation and choose how you want the words to appear on the screen. But again, it will affect only the specific caption you landed on. When I tried to animate the whole design, it messed up the captions and put everything in one spot, so the text was unreadable. If you ask me, just use the first page where you have some templates from Adobe Express, because it doesn't work well in the editor. Watch this video next, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.